With all of these individuals championing the industry, no wonder so many people with no experience are enjoying huge monthly incomes. It is no surprise that there are over 175,000 people a week joining the industry in the U.S. and over 495,000 people a week joining worldwide.
Free Life has created a paradigm shift in network marketing. Gone are the days of having to run around town selling products to fulfill monthly quotas. Gone are the days of weekly rah-rah meetings and having to put thousands of dollars on your credit card just to get started.
Free Life makes it all as simple as drinking Gochi and sharing it with others. People order direct from the company, then Free Life processes the order, ships the product, collects the money, keeps track of orders, provides customer service, and best of all, they send out commission checks every month to reward people for telling the world about Gochi.
It's that simplicity that's allowing Free Life to be one of the fastest growing companies today worldwide in the network marketing industry. Why? Results. It's that simple. People get on our juice and they're hooked. They feel the difference quickly and actually love the taste. They actually look forward to drinking their Gochi every day.
Loving a product so much, you look forward to taking it each and every day. That's one of the biggest keys to residual income. If someone doesn't like the taste, they won't take it for long. Remember, any plan that's hard to follow is a plan that won't be followed. I haven't met one person yet that doesn't love the taste of Gochi. Even kids love the taste.
What's phenomenal about this product is that it is unique in that it brings together a number of different factors that set it apart and aside from anything else that's like it or pretending to be like it.
My first check was $200, so not impressive, but I knew the merits of this product would spread and spread rapidly. And within that first year, it was up around $20,000 a month.
Our check climbed above the $10,000 mark in 2.5 months. It then climbed into the $20,000 plus mark. Now we're climbing way past the $30,000 a month, and we're amazed. We're absolutely amazed that's even possible that you can build that quickly. But the product works and the company is great.
I also introduced the product to my husband because I was very impressed with it, and he started to run the business on a part-time basis. And I believe the last check he received was for $7,000 for the month. And that was pretty good for a year's work, part-time.
I have a degree in education as well as a PhD in clinical nutrition. The thing that was frustrating for me in private practice is that my ability to help people was limited by the number of people I could see in a week. Now there's no ceiling to my income. My income has steadily increased by $10,000 a month each year. Now that cannot happen in private practice.
I've seen so many miraculous results in my practice, and it's really heartwarming because sometimes you see patients that just, although they're better than they were when they came in, you know that they have so much more that they could do to get back that quality of life. And when you find something that can do that, it just really makes you feel good in your heart because you're seeing these people get their lives back.
The wellness industry is absolutely exploding. At the same time, our healthcare system is in crisis. This is creating a perfect storm of opportunity.
Everyone wants to lead a vibrant, healthy life. Yet people are dying of cancer and heart disease, suffering from joint pain and arthritis, anxiety, depression, and other mental disorders are at all-time highs, and digestive system and autoimmune diseases are absolutely running rampant. The incidence of diabetes is skyrocketing. This is the most overweight, undernourished, stressed-out, sleep-deprived generation in history.
Consequently, millions of people are taking responsibility for their own health, and the wellness industry has gone from a cottage industry in the 80s to over $500 billion and projected to eclipse $1 trillion by 2012. Politicians, athletes, famous actors get paid millions to hold up a can of Coke or promote a McDonald's burger. People are finally realizing no one is watching out for your health except you. This has created a huge void in the marketplace for someone to simply find out about a significant health discovery. That's why referral marketing is booming. Don't be surprised if a coworker, a best friend, or a family member is the one who shared with you what scientists and doctors are calling the most significant health breakthrough of our lifetime.
And within the nutrition industry, the fastest growing segment is the functional beverage market, and we have the hottest product in the industry.
I can't imagine someone not trying a product that is so effective and being able to build a little business from home because of the great tax deductions for a home-based business And at the same time is you can produce a little bit of income that'll, worst case, get your product paid for, and best case could set you free financially. Within, I'd say, about a year and a half, we replaced our corporate income, which took us 23 years to build, was about $140,000 a year, and then now our income has gone steadily up, and we made over $1 million from home last year.
Because of challenges of my old company, I walked away from it and started this because I believed I could help more average people to make it in this industry. So I started it, and within 7 months I replaced an income I made after 8 years in another company.
I had just spent 14 years working another company, and I was introduced to Free Life and the product and started sharing right away with people. And within 3 months, we had replaced that income that took us 14 years to do in the other company.
I was in corporate America 20 years, and I'm a high achiever. I had an MBA degree from Harvard. My wife is the same way. She had a top real estate business. We had six-figure incomes, but we had no time. I looked at Free Life. Now, a few years later, I'm earning more in a month than most people in the country earn in a year.
Within a 5-month time period, I was making over $10,000 a month. Within a 10-month time period, I was making over $15,000 a month. And when my first year was up, I was making well over $20,000 a month. This is the first experience I've ever had with a network marketing company which has a compensation plan that absolutely pays you for your effort.
Antioxidants have become a buzzword lately, and many of these so-called superfruits and exotic juices talk about their antioxidant values and ORAC ratings, which are simply measures of a substance's antioxidant potential in a test tube. It has nothing to do with the actual results in the human body. What your body really needs are more of its own powerful antioxidant enzymes, and that's what Gochi delivers. Gochi has been subjected to 3 different double-blind, randomized, placebo-controlled studies which clinically validate this product's dramatic health benefits. And these studies were done on humans, not some laboratory animals.
One of our studies was just accepted for publication by the prestigious Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine. Rarely has this ever happened in the history of nutrition, especially in the direct selling industry.
These studies simply confirm what thousands of people have already been experiencing all along.
With thousands of products in the marketplace, Gochi has set itself above the competition. Gochi is preservative-free, certified kosher, and halal.
Gochi, in my opinion, has the potential to become a global phenomenon. And of course, we've separated ourselves so far beyond the average juice product now. It's not even, there's no contest. This is unparalleled. Gochi has 3 clinical studies verifying not just that it works, but that it works specifically in areas that are most important to people. And so to have a natural product that has no adverse effects or side effects that can strengthen the key elements of the immune system, that is powerful.
I've been very, very impressed at what I've seen with Free Life International, and especially with their new product, Gochi. They have ultimately raised the bar, and to see the results validated in human studies is absolutely incredible. I saw the clinical results that people were getting, the kind of incredible health benefits they were. I felt like I helped 4 to 5 times as many people doing this as I did in my own practice. So I sold my practice in March of 2007 to do this full time, and the science now validates my decision to do this.
When Bill Boone and Joe Malooly first shared this information with me, I was not really that interested. I was busy running 3 other businesses that I owned, I was making plenty of money, and I didn't have time for anything else. But the product intrigued me, and I started drinking the juice. I immediately started sleeping better, having vivid dreams, waking up feeling more refreshed. And after a week, I noticed a dramatic improvement in my mental clarity and ability to focus. That's when I started wondering how others would respond. And since Free Life allows people to use the product on a trial basis, risk-free for 90 days, I simply asked 13 other people if they'd order the product and test market it for me. Let me know their results. Well, in less than a month, I had some amazing stories. And that's when I decided I need to take a closer look at the business side of it.